Hello beautifuls and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shay and I'm back with another video. I don't know what was all this hand movement, but do you not see this wig? Synthetica. That is her name, okay? Or I should call her, I don't know, something exotic because she's just that beautiful. This is a half wig. You heard it? Yes, it's a half wig that I turned into a full wig. The reason I want to do this video is because, you know, we're trying to save our bank accounts this 2018, okay? I do not want to see another negative in my account, no more zeros in my account, okay? I need my money. So anywhere I can save, I will, and anywhere I can slay, I will. So I made this video for you guys because this, I'm telling you, this video might just save your account and hopefully save your life. I'm just being so extra right now, but I just love this wig. This wig makes me feel like a boss, like Diana Ross. Like, so I will be showing you how I achieved this look. So let's get into it. I will be using the Outre quick weave. This is in the Dominican curly. Yep, I said that right. And it's in 1B. It says that it is heat resistant up to 400 Fahrenheit, but we're not going to be, you know, curling this hair. I have no plans on it, but if you wanted to know, just let me know. So because of the circumference of my head, I guess if your head's bigger, you can take out the straps that come in here. Sorry guys, my lighting is going to be so off this video because the light is playing me. My curtains are kind of see-through. Don't watch that broken nail. But there's clips on the inside. You can unhook them if they're too tight on your head. But my head's pretty small, so I keep them in. So, actually I might not cut it at all this time to shoulder length. I might just cut the bangs. Yeah. So, this is the wig on my head. I look like a poodle. So I start playing around with it, seeing where I like it to fall. I can't lie, it's a little too tight on my head, so I will loosen it later on. But I should have brought a hair tie because I can't see. So first thing I'm going to do is take some of the hair to the back. Whatever I'm not going to chop. There's not a lot of hair I want to create into bangs. So this is like a 5-minute video, hopefully. So I tied up whatever I want in the front. My mirror is like behind my camera, so it's kind of hard for me to see. So I'm just going to pull out this mirror that I have from my palette. Okay. This is a good amount of hair that I would like to turn into bangs because it kind of covers me. I feel like the Grudge right now. It covers enough of my, you know, little forehead that I don't have. But I'm going to cut it to about here to start off with and like create a I don't remember. I don't want to say a gradient effect because I don't think that's the right word. But I can't think of the right word right now. If I do, I could probably put it in the video because I feel so ashamed for not thinking of the word right now. And I usually like shine like, how did you not think of that? I'm just gonna pull a bit more here because I want it to pull a bit better. So the first thing you want to do, never chop where you want your hair to be. Because if you make a mistake, you can't add, you can only take away. So I'm gonna start. That was actually a good amount. So this is where I want the sides to be. I'll go again, probably leaving like, taking an inch off the hair, putting it behind my ear, and dealing with what I have with in the center. And just pulling it down. I'm gonna chop right at my finger this time, just so I could see where the bangs lay. And there you have it. So this is the finished product of the hair, like after I chop the bangs. As you can see, like I barely cut. It looks like I cut a lot more, but it's good when you cut it in the two parts, so kind of has the layered effect that you cut it on an angle. So blend it right back into the hair. And this wig usually lasts me, actually I might cut a bit more because now it's like, it's already starting to grow. It's really starting to grow. I might cut a little bit more. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna cut some more. It's getting a little, so you can start cutting like this and going down. Just too much hair in the front. I just need it to be less. So there's no real technique to be cutting this. So I don't want to be like, yeah, you cut it like this, then cut it like that. Like, I'm just cutting wherever I see fit, how I wanted to frame my face. I usually like my wig to sit here, but as I told you, because this is a synthetic wig, it usually starts to tangle and knot up. So I don't want to cut too much of it off because I'll eventually be cutting up to where I actually want it, so I can deal with it at this length right now. So I want to show you guys the back, because when you put it in a pony, you can't see anything. I mean, it's not properly on my head because I did not put the combs in at the back. I was not feeling it. I usually just have the combs in the front in my hair, but at the back I do not, because I usually, whenever I have a lot of friction in the back of my hair, it's the first place to break off. And I'm trying to keep the back of my hair. That's why I'm using full locks instead of like wearing wigs this year. I don't know if I want to ever wear a lace frontal again. Like, I'm just being honest. I may be saying that right now because like there's so many ways for mine I have, but it's just the process of putting that ish on and taking it off, and I don't have that much time in the morning. It's not for your girl right now, but I might go back to them. On my birthday, most likely, yes, but like on a daily, like, I don't know. So that concludes the end of this video. I hope you liked it. It was really short. Hopefully it was informative enough to give you some perspective on how to get more bang for your buck. And trust me, this wig saves lives, okay? You might get a date with this wig. You might snatch some edges with this wig. But don't forget to subscribe. And if you haven't liked this video already, give it a thumbs up, please. I will appreciate it so much from the bottom of my heart. And I will see you next time. The light is playing with me. Girl, I can't deal. I can't deal. But don't forget, you're too legit to quit.